accommodated in a nearby church. Tomatoes politics now, and religious leaders from Western Kenya have called for a truce between President William Ruto and his deputy Rigathi Gachagua. Now, as cracks continue to be witnessed in the ruling Kenya Kwanza coalition, speaking in Kakamega town, more than 20 bishops and imams led by Apostle Ken Baraza said that if the rift between Kenya's top leaders is not addressed early enough, it might push the country into political instability.
There's ahadi ambayo walitupatia wakati wa kampeni. Kwa sababu tuliwachagua kwa kuamini ya kwamba zile ahadi ambazo kwamba walikuwa wakisema kwenye majukwaa, wakifika kule katika bunge wataweza kuzitekeleza.
The issue of misunderstanding between the president and his vice, it is something that is coming down to the mashinani, and if we do not right now stand up and put things in order, it will weaken the leadership. At the same time, it's going to delay the implementation of the agendas that you laid before you came into the power. So as a church, we stand to pray, number one. Number two, we desire that you come together and sit. It is not a problem when one of us differs with us. In leadership, you must be ready to be criticized. But the way you respond to criticism matters a lot.